Today I'm teaching you how to feed your baby. Big thanks to Beech-Nut Naturals for sponsoring this video. To feed your baby, first secure them properly and safely in their high chair and then put on their bib. Babies are super messy when you feed them, so don't skip this step. Next, grab your baby food. I picked up some beech-nut naturals, the ones in the honey pot shaped glass jars with the green lids from my local Walmart store. They also have organic options, but all beech-nut naturals are 100% natural, nothing artificial, made with real fruits and vegetables, just like you would use at home. It is inspired by homemade, which is great because I don't ever make my own baby food. Now it's time to spoon feed that pureed food to your baby. The best approach is a slow and gentle one. Use a spoon designed specifically for babies to make it easier on them and you. If your baby isn't cooperating, it's helpful to open your own mouth really big, saying, ah, because it encourages your baby to do the same. That's good, huh, baby? She likes it a lot. They're good pairs. Another way I like to feed baby food to my little ones is by using one of these cool reusable squeeze pouches. To use it, just open up the side and pour your beech-nut naturals, real food for babies, into the pouch. Once it's all in there, you seal it up with a double Ziploc. These pouches are really convenient to use because they make mealtime cleaner and faster. I like that I don't have to go back and forth from the jar to my baby with the spoon over and over again. They can hopefully sit there and you can squeeze out a little bit for them, or they can kind of do it themselves. I like to keep my baby's face clean as I feed her because otherwise the food has a tendency to be smeared everywhere thanks to those grabby, touchy little hands. I use the spoon and clean up her chin and cheeks and give it right back to her mouth. When she no longer seems interested in eating and I know mealtime is over, I know it's time to clean her up. I like to wet a paper towel and gently wipe her down, starting with her face and cheeks, and then her hands and fingers and her arms. Lastly, I wipe down her high chair tray. However, if the high chair tray is super messy, you might want to start there instead so she doesn't keep getting her clean hands and the spilled food on the tray. And then just remove the bib. Beech-nut naturals. Ingredients that a baby could pronounce. What do you think? Can you say it? Can you say carrots? Squash? Duh. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description below for my best tips on all things babies, and then be sure to subscribe for more videos and tips on all things home and family.